Welcome. In front of me is a NOKIA 6.1 and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode. So starting off, what you want to do is hold power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once that has, we will hold volume up and power key, and you also need to have a cable. So I have one right here plugged into the computer. So when the phone turns off, you can actually plug it in with that cable and wait till you see the battery charging status. Okay, so once this is visible, we can proceed to hold power key and volume up. So let's do that. Again, power key right here and volume up. Okay, and once you see the no command Android, you can let go of the keys and then begin holding power key. But this time just tap on volume up once while holding power key. So hold and tap. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you will use volume up and down to navigate. So like so, as you can see. And power key is used to confirm. As you can see, you can do a couple of different things. Reboot to bootloader, apply updates to SD or from SD and ADB. Wipe factory, basically factory reset, mount system, view recent logs, and a couple other things. Now I'm just gonna select reboot system now to go back to the normal Android, and I'm gonna confirm it with the power key. And as you can see, now the device is back on into the normal Android. So that's basically how you access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.